Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier life. Hey guys, today we're talking about a simple-looking vegetable that's actually a nutritional powerhouse: mushrooms. Mushrooms are a type of food that's often overlooked, but they're packed with nutrients that can boost our health in amazing ways. Many people don't realize just how much nutrition is hidden in these little fungi. They're often added to dishes for flavor, but their health benefits are just as valuable as their taste. A lot of people don't know that mushrooms are a great source of nutrients. Mushrooms are one of the healthiest foods you can eat, and it's time we give them the recognition they deserve. Mushrooms have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. They're a powerhouse of nutrition. Today we're breaking down the complete nutrition facts of mushrooms for 100 grams, and trust me, this simple vegetable is way more powerful than it looks. If you think mushrooms are just a pizza topping, this might change your mind. Let's get started. So first, let's talk about calories. Per 100 grams, raw mushrooms contain only about 22 calories. Yes, just 22. That makes them a very low energy density food, meaning you can eat a good portion without significantly increasing your daily calorie intake. Because they are made up of nearly 90% water, they add volume to your meals, help you feel full, and support weight management in a very natural way. Now let's move to protein. In 100 grams, mushrooms provide around 3.1 grams of protein. For such a low-calorie plant food, that's actually impressive. They also contain essential amino acids, which support muscle repair and overall body function. While they're not as protein-dense as lentils or beans, they definitely strengthen the protein quality of your meal when combined with other plant-based foods. Next, coming to carbohydrates and fiber. Mushrooms contain about 3.3 grams of carbs per 100 grams, and out of that, around 1 gram is dietary fiber. That fiber plays an important role in digestion, gut health, and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. And the fat content? Almost negligible. Just 0.3 grams, making mushrooms naturally low-fat and heart-friendly. Now here's where mushrooms really shine: vitamins and minerals. They are rich in B vitamins, especially riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, and pantothenic acid, B5, which help your body convert food into usable energy and support brain and nervous system health. If mushrooms are exposed to sunlight, they can also provide vitamin D, something very rare in plant foods, which is essential for strong bones and immunity. In terms of minerals, 100 grams of mushrooms give you about 318 milligrams of potassium, which supports heart health and blood pressure balance. They also contain phosphorus for bone strength, copper for red blood cell formation, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. And here's the bonus most people don't know: mushrooms contain unique antioxidants like ergothioneine and glutathione. These compounds help fight oxidative stress in the body and may support healthy aging. So when you look at the complete picture, 100 grams of mushrooms give you low calories, quality protein, important B vitamins, essential minerals, fiber, and powerful antioxidants, all in one simple, affordable food. Next time you cook, don't underestimate mushrooms. Add them to your stir-fries, soups, or salads, and upgrade your nutrition instantly. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, science-based nutrition facts explained in a way that actually makes sense.